Hi, this is Sonakshi Sinha and you're watching me on BollywoodHangama.com.
This is Dana from Switzerland. Since you're a fellow Gemini, what is the best Gemini trait that you have?
What is the best Gemini trait that I have? I think I'm very hardworking. Is that a Gemini trait? I don't know. It's just
I think Geminis, they tend to be. Yeah.
Are they hardworking? Yeah.
Basically, they keep on coming up with new ideas all the time. They're
we are creative. I think
creative for sure.
Are creative. I am creative. I'm hardworking. But the fact that I really love my job and I strive each day to do better and work harder each day. I think that is the quality that I don't want to lose ever.
This is Ishita from Ghaziabad. Do you think love is a chemical, intellectual, spiritual, or completely undefinable?
Completely undefinable. Love is a socially accepted form of insanity.
Socially accepted form of insanity.
Yes.
Good. This is Anisha from Pune. Describe following people in one word each, please. Salman, if you have to describe him in one word.
Generous.
Akshay Kumar.
Hilarious.
Ranveer Singh.
Energetic.
Saif Ali Khan.
Chilled out.
Shahid.
Shahid would be level-headed.
Imran Khan.
Calm.
Ajay Devgan.
Super smart.
This is Ishita from Ghaziabad once again. Name 3 exotic countries you would like to visit on a holiday.
3 exotic countries that I would like to visit on a holiday. I would love to go to Africa. I've never been to South Africa or something like that. I would like to go to Indonesia, probably like Bali or something. I would like to go to Australia.
This is Rizwan from Pakistan. If director asks her for a bikini shoot, will she do it? I don't think you already said that.
No, my answer is the same for like the last 4 years.
This is Linda from Zurich, Switzerland. If she had to choose between Akshay or Shahid movie, which one would she choose and why?
Huh? As in?
As in like
the movies that I've already done?
You've done with them.
Why do I need to choose? I mean, I've done the movies because
I think in one of my interviews you said that the favorite co-star that you get along very well is Akshay Kumar and Shahid Kapoor.
And
that is maybe that is why they're asking.
Probably. I don't know. No, I wouldn't choose because if I've done a movie at that point of time, obviously I felt like being a part of it. So I wouldn't have to choose from either one.
A lot of stuff said about you and Shahid Kapoor. I think you've said in one of the interviews that I should just tattoo on my head that I'm not dating Shahid Kapoor. Does it get a bit too much, the entire speculation and
it does.
Coffee with Karan as well?
Yeah, I think it does, but I think beyond a point it dies out because there's no truth to it anyway. So, and it depends on how you deal with it. Like now I just ignore it now. I don't even bother with it much anymore. So
Right, but does it make your equation with the like say Shahid for example awkward in any way?
No, I think because we have a good working rapport. I mean, obviously when you're shooting a film, you interact with each other every day now. I mean, he's got his own stuff, I've got my own stuff, so we don't really interact with each other that much anymore. So these things you don't really tend to discuss either. So it doesn't really make a difference.
And you've also tweeted that you were disappointed with the way the award shows treated the film somehow.
Yeah, the way they treated the film. Not because, I didn't win an award or anything. That's absolutely fine. I just didn't like the fact that Vikram was not nominated for Best Director. Amit Trivedi was not nominated for Best Music. Ranveer was nominated as Best Actor for other films, but not for Lutera.
Exactly, for Ram Leela.
Yeah, which I thought was...
which was a far more subtle performance.
Unfair, yeah.
So does it in a way just disillusion you in terms of the way award systems are?
No, I mean I've always attended awards right from the very beginning. Only if I'm performing or I don't attend them otherwise because that is my work, that is part of my profession. This time, I was a bit disillusioned because I didn't understand how these things work. But I guess it's okay.
If you've seen one award show, you've seen all of them actually because it just gets repeated again and again.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, everybody has their own take on it. I mean, these things I at least don't want to be taking too seriously anymore. So,